What is the correct Python path environment variable for scripts? Imagine being able to run your Python scripts from any folder on your computer without typing long paths every time. That's what setting the right environment variable helps you do. When you install Python, it creates an executable file called PythonX on Windows or just Python on macOS and Linux. To run scripts easily, your system needs to know where this file is located. This is done by adding the folder containing the Python executable to the system's path environment variable. On Windows, you find the system environment variables in the control panel under System Properties. There, you click on Environment Variables and look for the variable called path. You then add the folder path where Python is installed. For example, it might be C, plus users your username, plus appdata plus local plus programs plus Python 310 plus or C, plus Python 39. Make sure to separate it from other entries with a semicolon. After saving, open a new command prompt window and type Python. If everything is set up correctly, it will start the Python interpreter. On macOS or Linux, you usually edit a shell profile file like bashrc or zshrc. You add a line that says export path equals the directory of your Python installation plus a colon and then $path. For example, export path is equal to /local/bin $path. This command adds the folder to your path so your system can find Python when you type Python in the terminal. After editing the file, run source. Or restart your terminal to apply the changes. The main reason for doing this is to make running Python scripts simple. When you type Python my script, Py in the command line, the system looks in the directories listed in the path variable to find the Python interpreter. If the folder isn't there, you will get an error saying Python is not recognized or not found. In that case, you would have to type the full path to Python every time, which can be inconvenient. It's important to understand that Python path is a different environment variable. Python path tells Python where to look for additional modules or packages when running scripts. It does not affect the ability to run scripts directly. You only need to set Python path if you have custom modules stored outside the default locations. To sum up, the correct Python path environment variable for running scripts is the system path variable that includes the folder where Python's executable file is stored. This setup allows you to run scripts from any folder without extra steps. Remember, after installing Python, always check that the executable folder is added to your system's path. Then, open a new command prompt or terminal window and test by typing Python and hitting Enter. If it opens the interpreter, you are all set. If you need to use custom modules outside the default directories, then you can set Python path, but for basic script execution, just focus on the system path.